It's happening. Oh my God.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pennsylvania State Police. The Pennsylvania State Police are asking all residents of Barrett and Price Townships to continue to shelter in place. Please do not go outdoors and remain away from windows or openings to the outside. Please stay tuned to media outlets for further information. At 2 p.m.
Oh boy. Okay, this guy didn't activate, sadly, which just sucks. Finally got a real one off of this baby. Look at that. Got this, check this out. This is probably YouTube first. Okay, that guy didn't go off, this guy went off again. And unfortunately, this guy didn't either. Okay. Shelter in place.
Another one?
Yeah.
Still in Pennsylvania?
Yeah.